this Vibathon, I've taken this problem statement 10,066. So we need to have a generative AI financial advisor. So the ask is we need to upload our statements and we can have a chat with a chatbot regarding our financial statements. So it will is going to give us advice about all the data, whatever we have provided. So and the input data is going to be CSV kind. So I've used Replit for the same, and I'll just show a demo for it. I've already pasted the API keys for the LLM. I'm using Groq for the provider. I'll show you how the CSV will look like. It's a generic CSV format where the dates, amounts, salaries, and all those data for what kind of transaction you're providing is going to be provided here. And after that, this is the CSV data. And then we are going to pass the CSV data to the application. So this data is going to be digested by the app, and it's going to give us the initial metrics by having just a look at the financial and income data. Um, yeah, we can track all the income only, like what are the incomes that got, what are the expenses, and all those generic data are getting tracked. And then even the pie chart representation of the rent, grocery, savings, income, and all those things are taken care of. Now we can have this chatbot conversation about our financial data. Like we can, this is the chat interface for the same. So I can ask, hey, where spending most of my income. So over here, what it does is that, yeah, it's going to probably have a look at our data, and then after it's going to talk about it. See, also it's commenting that we are having a very high savings percentage. So expenses are, we're not having much of expenses, and then where kind of spending, it's giving a track of that, and it's giving a generic data. Now let's tell, can I purchase a car worth 7 lakh rupee. So probably, yeah, yeah. Based on our financial, it seems the total income is around 1,88,000. Savings is so good. So considering this, to put into this perspective, it looks fine, and it's giving all the financial data whether I should buy a car, and I can also tell, can I uh, decrease my savings to by 10 percentage, so that I can spend more money for family. Is yeah. So yeah, to decrease the saving by 10%, allocate more funds. This thing, then it's giving the data for the same. It is also talking about it, and based on whatever CSV data we give. Currently, I provided probably 3 months CSV data, 2 months CSV data. We can increase that, and also insights about all transaction history. It's going to give. Then after, how to export the data. Suppose this entire transaction history, I can create a PDF. If I click it, I can download a PDF. And also this LLM feature, we can switch between multiple vendor. Example, right now I'm using Groq. I can enter its API key and so on. Yeah, that's how this function, this application works. And thanks to Replit for making this simple. And thanks to Excel for